Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome. It's your favorite 7th grade teacher, Miss Macklin from Riverview Middle School. Today's video is pertaining to the SES's grade repair. Now, why has this video been made? Currently, your student is within 5 points of earning a higher level grade for quarter 3. And by completing this extra credit opportunity, this could give them enough points to earn a higher grade for quarter 3. With that being said, I definitely encourage your child to participate in this optional opportunity to earn a higher grade. The directions. Please listen closely because these directions have to be followed precisely. In this video, you will have an opportunity to answer a few questions to earn an extra 3 to 5 points. You can submit your answers 2 ways. The first way you can send your answers is to my email at macklinc1@scs12.org or by text message at 901-401-3325. Now, students, you will have between May 4th and May 11th to complete this assignment. Assignments will not be accepted after 11:59 p.m. on May 11, 2020. All right, let's get started. The standards that are covered for the questions today are 7 RPA 2A. Decide whether two quantities are in a proportional relationship by testing for equivalent ratios in a table or graph or on a coordinate plane by observing whether the graph is a straight line or through the origin. The second standard is 7 RPA 3. Use proportional relationships to solve multi-step ratio and percent problems. Examples: simple interest, tax, markups, markdowns, gratuities, and commissions, fees, percent increase, decrease, and percent error. Question number 1. How can you identify a proportional relationship in a graph? Please answer this question in a complete sentence. Question number 2. John is filling a bathtub that is 18 inches deep. He noticed that it takes 2 minutes to fill the bathtub with 3 inches of water. He estimates it would take 10 more minutes for the water to reach the top of the tub if it continues at the same rate. Is John correct? Explain your answer. Question number 3. This question has 3 parts. Make sure you answer it in its entirety. A store advertises 15% off an item that regularly sells at $300. A. What is the sales price of the item? B. How is a 15% discount similar to a 15% decrease? Please explain your answer. And C. If there's an 8% sales tax that is charged on with the sales price, then what is the total with the tax? Question number 4. A baseball team had 80 players show up to tryouts last year, and this year 96 players showed up for tryouts. Find the percent increase in players from last year to this year. Question number 5. Henry is considering purchasing a mountain bike. He likes 2 bikes. One bike costs $500 and the other costs $600. He tells his dad that the bike that is more expensive is 20% more than the cost of the other bike. Is Henry correct? Justify your answer. And this concludes the questions for your grade repair. Please take the time and pause the video as needed and return next week to see next week's video that I post. We miss you all, and we hope you all complete this assignment. It is totally optional, and I'm looking forward to seeing your responses.